Today I'm building the LEGO Speed Champions Porsche 911 GT3 RS. Let's take a quick look at the box. Inside there are 5 numbered bags, the instructions and 1 driver minifigure. And the building starts with the base and the interior. Next comes the back of the car. Once the back is built, it looks really nice. Then I add sides and doors. Also building and connecting the front, adding other details and headlights. Also the rear wing. And of course the wheels. And the car is pretty much finished. Now let the driver sit and enjoy the car for a moment. Overall it's a fast and enjoyable build, especially great set for Porsche and Speed Champions fans. Thanks for watching.